Hi, this is Julie DeLeon, and I'm just going to give you a short overview of the curriculum for K through 5 for elementary language arts. It's hard to believe that we're sliding into September. We're looking forward to those cooler weather days and hopefully some pumpkin spice if you like it. And so let's look at what we have. I want to just go through each one of these grade levels really quick so you can see that I'm in the K-5 language arts unit pacing. So in September, kindergarten will be working in Unit 1, which is Plants and Animals Have Needs. It's related to the science unit. And so first grade is going to be doing Unit 1 as well. You'll notice that in first grade in week 4 there's a flex week. That was originally intended for BAS whenever we were in the face-to-face environment, but since we're not right now, and then there is a lot going on, BAS is not mandatory this year. So this is a flex week built in for you, and I think it comes at a great time of year to just give you an extra 5 days to support your kids and adjust your lesson plans as you need. So then second grade also is in the same boat as far as the flex week and Unit 1. Third grade, fourth grade, and fifth grade will all be working with a flex week in this September month, and everybody only has 1 unit. So that's something to just a little overview for you. Many of you, just as a heads up, in the first 9 weeks will have, as you can see, a research and inquiry unit coming. That was because last year during COVID-19, a lot of the grades missed your inquiry unit, and so just a little heads up that that will be coming, but for many of you it's not until October, and kindergarten actually won't have any because they didn't miss anything because they weren't in school. So I want to tell you one more thing. A note is these helpful unit plans that really drilled down into the workshop, Reader's Workshop lessons. These were worked on for you by a team, coaches, and myself over the summer. We were able to get through the first 2 units, so the launch and the first consecutive unit after that. These will be a work in progress, so if you liked these, let us know. The goal was here to really vet the benchmark lessons and then also bring in other lessons per your request to really enhance the unit and give you lots of variety. So you can see from this that there are Saravallo lessons, there's Round Rock lessons. So those will be there for the first 2 consecutive units, and it's a work in progress this year. You'll also have it for Unit 5. And let us know how you like these and what you think. There's also on every unit plan, you'll notice an anti-bias rubric tool, and so if you wanted to click this link, you could take a look at that. This has been a project that we've been working on, and we will continue to work on. It's a nice rubric to help you really think through your children's books. It does come with a disclaimer that this year we are using the tool to vet the benchmark books, so that's a little note. And then there are some great library resources here if you're looking for book lists. So thanks for all that you're doing. You're working so hard. We so appreciate you. The kids are doing great. They're making a lot of progress, and we're learning so much together. Thank you for all you do every single day. Have a great week.